Oh shit, I spilled a car. Oh Lord Jesus.
You can call on Abraham too if you'd like.
Abraham, Moses, Jesus, Buddha, Jehovah, Yahweh, Jesus.
All right. Woo!
Oh shit, I spilled a car.
You're an owner.
I'm crying.
All right, girl. This is for the odometer. That's for the miles on the Subaru. Make sure you sign it there. Ready?
Just here?
Right.
Oh, next to you.
Hold on, my hair's messed up. Alrighty. This one here is for the rebates on the vehicle. Make sure you initial those through the signature there. Whoops.
I was talking about the one thing I need for a driveway wheel lock.
If you want to bring clothes, it's right there. Everything down to you. So you can take the stuff out. You have a lot of stuff.
I have a lot of stuff.
Okay, I'll bring it to you. Yeah, I'll bring it over there to you.
Okay. This is it. I don't even want to put like. Oh wait. Is there any room?
I'm sorry.
Did he give you a tag for your car? Temporary tag.
I have a garbage.
I got some bags I can bring you.
I actually have a.
Yeah, you got one. I got some small ones if you want to. Oh, you got some. You got a new car, you might appreciate it even more. You'll probably do that, so you'll be fine. Well, thank you, ma'am, for the business. I don't know what took so long, but you guys seem to finally got it. Y'all beat Jose down or something, right?
We did.
Well, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you for helping me. And
I hope you feel like you were being helped, because, you know, that's what it's all about. You tell somebody like yourself a car, you don't try to bust you in the head. You just make it simple and give everything you can and educate in the course of doing that. So I hope I did.
Thank you.
All right? Well, good. Old key.
Old key.
And new key. One swap to another. Thank you for the business, young lady.
Got it?
Was a pleasure.
Mazel tov. Yeah.
Good evening, and it's a happy Friday evening. Okay. I just bought a new flippin' car. Like, I don't know how I feel. Like, I feel like, oh, I have a car payment now, but I feel better because my car breaks every... I'm wearing my shirt inside out. Ugh. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, I bought a new car today. That's why I'm dancing. Yeah, I had my shirt. It wasn't inside out. It's inside out now, but I'm getting a little gorda. Haven't been I've had too many visitors over recently, and I've just been eating crazy. Between my mom and then the anonymous visitor, I've just been eating all the time. But we're gonna do better. But I got a new car! Yeah! I'm being really silly because I'm exhausted. Like, I literally went into this place right after work, and I was really frustrated over the last 2 days. Is this on? I was really frustrated after the past 2 days because my car shopping, buying, whatever experience went horribly not the way I expected. I didn't vibe with the dealers. They weren't willing to work with me. They thought I was gonna pay ridiculous monthly payments for a car that's not even really worth that much. And I was pissed out. I was mad. I went to work early today so I can leave early. And I was like, I'll just go to one more place because I was communicating with the Ford dealership by me. I said, I'll just, instead of driving all around Roswell, going all over the place, I was like, I'm just gonna go to this one place by my house. If it sucks, if they can't get me what I want, if it sucks, I'll keep it moving. Because at first I was afraid of the whole thing where it's like, you don't like what they tell you, just walk away. I always felt like, I don't know how I felt about it, but I felt weird about it. But I did it twice yesterday, so I was like, I'm a pro at it. If I don't like what you say, bye. I don't care. So much junk, like random books. I was supposed to read this book. Like, I always keep a book, like a real dead tree book, because I have a Kindle, but I like to keep a dead tree book in my car. Because you never know when you're going to have to just, like, read a book. I don't know. Oh, this was, like, the makeup bag I had in my old car that I never used that was probably in there for, like, ew. I wonder if anything in here is still good. Like, random umbrellas. Umbrellas? Oh, my sunglasses. My Hello Kitty sunglasses. And then my, what are these? My XOXO glasses. I think this is some random old ass Bluetooth thing that was for my car that I never used because it was stupid. And my new car has Bluetooth already in it. I'm gonna take a shower and read my little manuals and be a good little new car owner and call it a night. So tomorrow we can go somewhere in my new car. Oh, look at the key, it's so pretty. I like the fancier like keys that you can fold over, but whatever. But it has a trunk button. My other car didn't have that. So, bleh.